study harder, study hard, okay? And you'll be fine. But today, I'm going to tell you 2 stories. Yeah?
2 stories. And do you like stories?
Yeah.
Do you like my story?
Yeah.
I like it too.
Now, the first story is the elephant's child. The elephant baby. The elephant's child. And the story happened in Africa. What is Africa?
Africa.
Good. Alright. Are you ready?
Yes.
Long times ago in Africa, it was very hot there. In Africa, there lived many different kinds of animals, and there lived an elephant's child. And back to that time, elephant did not have trunks. No, they don't. They only have a short, bulgy nose, like this. Oh, and let's not forget his mommy. And this elephant child was very curious. He asked lots of questions every day, and that made his mommy almost crazy. And one day, the elephant child was playing in the woods, and he walked and walked and walked, and then he saw his uncle monkey in the tree. And here. And the elephant child looked at his uncle monkey, and then he said, "Uncle monkey, I have a question. Why do you have such a long tail? And Uncle Monkey said, "Oh,
Go away! Don't ask me questions! Go!
The elephant child was very sad. So he walked and walked and walked. And then he saw his uncle Zebra. And the elephant child saw his uncle Zebra. And then he has a question. He asked, Uncle Zebra, I have a question. Why do you have so many stripes all over your body? And Uncle Zebra said, Go away! Don't ask me questions. And then he kicked the elephant child. The elephant child was very sad. And he walked and walked and walked. And then he saw his aunt Giraffe. When he saw his aunt Giraffe, he said, Aunt Giraffe, I have a question. Why do you have so many spots on your body? And Aunt Giraffe said, Go away, elephant child. Don't ask me questions. And then she kicked him on the butt. The elephant child was very sad. But then, by dinner time, he was okay again, because now he has a whole new question is, what does the crocodile have for dinner? 到了晚上的时候，他就不难过了，因为呢，他现在已经想到了一个新的问题，那就是鳄鱼都是吃什么当晚餐的。So the elephant child said goodbye to Giraffe, Zebra, Uncle Monkey, and his mommy. He said, "Bye, everybody. I'm going to find out what the crocodile has for dinner. Bye." So he walked and walked and walked. Then he bumped into a big rock. And on the rock, there was a snake. And the snake has a long neck. This snake is called the bicolor python rock snake. 双色大蟒岩石蛇 the bicolor python rock snake 双色大蟒岩石蛇 and the elephant child said, "Good morning, Mr. Snake. Do you know where the crocodile is?" And the bicolor python rock snake answered, I must write down. The great, green, greasy, Limpopo, great, green, greasy Limpopo River. 中文翻译：伟大的灰扑扑、绿油油、脏兮兮的林波波河。And the elephant child said, "Oh, thank you, Mr. Snake." Then he said goodbye to the bicolor python rock snake, and he went on. Walked toward the gray, green, greasy Limpopo River, and there he met Mr. Crocodile. Oh, but this elephant child had never ever seen a crocodile before, so he doesn't know what a crocodile looked like. So he said, "Good morning, sir. Excuse me, do you know where the crocodile is?" And the crocodile said, "I am the crocodile." And the elephant child said, "Oh, good. Mr. Crocodile, can you tell me what you have for dinner, please?" And the crocodile said, "Come closer and I will tell you." And the elephant child said, "Okay." So he got closer and closer and closer. And the crocodile said, "Come even closer and I will whisper to you." And the elephant child said, "Okay." So he got closer and closer, and just at that time, the crocodile opened his mouth and caught the elephant child by his nose. And then the crocodile was very hungry. He pulled and pulled and pulled. The elephant child pulled and pulled and pulled. But the crocodile was very hungry, so he pushed and pushed and pulled. And the bicolor python rock snake, who is a good snake, came to help the elephant child. And together they pulled and pulled and pulled. The crocodile pulled, and the elephant child and the